Welcome back. Today I'm taking a look at 3 more everyday carry ideas that's geared more towards the minimalist. So let's check them out. And before we get started, cheers everybody. I'm going to be enjoying some Elijah Craig small batch here throughout this video. And my first everyday carry item that's geared more towards the minimalist is the Finch Model 1934 flipper. So let's take a look at this 3-inch 154 cm clip point blade right here. And as you can see, it is a full flat grind. And what I really like about the Model 1934 here is, yes, it's a flipper, but on this side, you can see it has a nail nick there also. So if you needed to be a little bit more discreet and didn't want to deploy the knife using the flipper tab, just use the nail nick there, open it like a gentleman. And I think the Model 1934 here is absolutely beautiful. You can see the bolstered stainless steel handles right here. And this specific model has burlwood scales with that crest style logo right dead center. It also features a bolster lock, a milled titanium pocket clip that's about a 1/2 inch shy of being deep carry. It's a tip up, right side only carry. And I already mentioned that blade is 3 inches long. Overall, it's about 7 inches long. The blade thickness is about 0.110 inches thick, which makes this blade stock thin enough to be a very nice slicer. And it weighs just 4.16 ounces. It carries very nice in your pocket. And the Model 1934 here deploys smooth as butter when you're using this flipper tab. You can see that action is just so nice. And the second everyday carry item I chose is a flashlight. It's the Prometheus Beta QR V2. And the QR V2 does come in 4 different finishes. The one that I have here is solid copper. The QR V2 has 3 modes, low, medium, and high. Now high is where you get your maximum output of 90 lumens and a 40 meter throw. Then it has a 15 lumen medium and a 1 lumen low. And pushing out those 90 lumens is a single Nichia 319A high CRI LED with a beam color of 4000 Kelvin. And it's all powered by a single rechargeable AAA battery. Prometheus Lights is known for having very high CRI flashlights. And if I give you a look at that beam color here, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but there's not a hint of green in there. And I think that 4000 Kelvin color temperature is just perfect. I lean more towards the warmer color temperatures versus the cooler color temperatures. Now you can see it has a pocket clip here, which makes it perfect for everyday carry, but you can actually change out this pocket clip here for the keyring attachment. So all you need to do is just pop off the pocket clip, attach the keyring attachment right here, and now you have yourself a pretty sweet keychain light. Now I did do an overview on this light a while back, and I mentioned that I kind of wished it had a tail switch here. Now since I made that video, I came back on that opinion a little bit. I think this twist to operate system that Prometheus has on this QR V2 works just fine for an everyday carry light. Now the QR V2 comes in at just under 3 inches at 2.95 inches and has a diameter of 0.55 inches. And the solid copper version that I have right here weighs about 2 ounces. The other 3 finishes come in at under 2 ounces. So you can see why I chose the Prometheus Beta QR V2 as one of my everyday carry choices for the minimalist. And the last everyday carry item I chose is from a company I've never featured on this channel before. It's the Northwoods Leatherworks company Hemlock minimalist wallet. The Hemlock here is a vertical style minimalist wallet that can hold up to 8 cards plus folded cash in its 3 pockets. The wallet that I have here is made from a full grain Wicked & Craig russet harness and is hand stitched with 1 millimeter thick green Ritza tiger thread. And check out the stitching here from Northwoods Leatherworks company. It starts with a saddle stitch right here, and then it turns into a cross stitch, and then they continue with that saddle stitch right there. I love this combination. And the craftsmanship here on the Hemlock is just fantastic. All the cuts here on the pockets look very clean, and the burnishing and polishing of these edges look great. And if you guys were wondering, yes, this is made right here in the USA, Green Bay, Wisconsin to be exact. And check out this logo right here. It does have a significance because all of Northwoods Leatherworks company's wallets are named after trees found in Wisconsin. And if you guys were wondering how this Wicked & Craig russet harness smells, ah, man, I just love that smell. So what do you guys think of my picks this time? The Finch Model 1934, the Prometheus Beta QR V2 flashlight, or the Northwoods Leatherworks company Hemlock minimalist wallet? And let me know in the comments below if you've carried any of these items here or planning on picking any one of these up. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to pick up any one of these 3 items, I will have links down below in my description box. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!